Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the system so audio routing is predictable. Set your preferred microphone as the default communication device and disable exclusive control so Samp can share the mic. Run San Andreas Multiplayer as administrator to avoid permission blocks. Once done, make sure Windows Privacy grants microphone access to desktop apps. Close apps that typically hold the mic like Discord or TeamSpeak. This prevents lock conflicts and dropped voice packets. These steps clear most local resource issues before deeper fixes. Now you configure the in-game audio and network so voice actually transmits. In Samp voice settings, choose your microphone and set a moderate bitrate. Higher isn't always better for stability. Make sure Windows sample rate matches the mic to avoid distortion. 48,000 Hz is common. Once matched, restart Samp to apply changes. Then check network. Forward or allow the server ports, often 7777, and enable macOS or limit background uploads to reduce packet loss. These finish by verifying end-to-end voice. Ask a teammate to confirm audibility or record a local test to ensure your mic is captured. This rules out server-side issues. Update your audio drivers and the Samp client. Once done, reboot to clear stale device handles. If you still struggle, try a virtual audio cable to isolate software routing or use an external voice client as a temporary fix. If packets drop, recheck NAT and test on a different network. These troubleshooting steps pinpoint remaining faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.